Welcome, beautiful souls. This is JB. Let's kickstart this amazing day with some power affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that can help you to overcome negative thoughts. They help to foster a positive mental attitude that can help you to achieve great success in your life. They have profound effects on the conscious and unconscious mind. Once you believe in them, you will see positive changes in your life. Affirmations are powerful. Affirmations really do work, but the key to making them work is the feeling or passion you put behind them. When you believe them to be true and put passion behind them, that's when real change occurs. Remember, words can make us or break us. They not only reflect what we are thinking, but put a statement out into the world about us. They can also have a profound effect as they help to craft our present and our future. So why not say words and affirmations that reflect who you are and what you want right now, and see the shift occur in your life. Say these every day to see the full power. Now repeat the affirmations after me, either out loud, whisper, or silently. And don't forget, say them with feeling, say them with meaning. I am love. I am love. I am the best version of myself. I am the best version of myself. I am loved and supported. I am loved and supported. I am filled with endless possibilities. I'm filled with endless possibilities. I am humble. I am humble. I am calm and peaceful. I am calm and peaceful. I am happy as I grow. I am happy as I grow. I am grateful for who I am. I am grateful for who I am. I am enough and I have everything I need. I am enough and I have everything I need. I am grateful for all experiences. I am grateful for all experiences. I am worthy of my dreams. I am worthy of my dreams. I am grateful for all gifts. I am grateful for all gifts. I am learning lessons every day. I am learning lessons every day. I am worthy. I am worthy. I am a powerful force for good. I am a powerful force for good. I am on the right path. I am on the right path. I am moving in the right direction. I am moving in the right direction. I am all I can be. I am all I can be. I am worthy of all things wonderful. I am worthy of all things wonderful. I am grateful. I am grateful. I am very powerful. I am very powerful. I am confident in my ability. I am confident in my ability. I am strong. I am strong. I am full of loving energy. I am full of loving energy. I am limitless. I am limitless. I am inspired by the world around me. I am inspired by the world around me. I am beautiful. I am beautiful. I am perfect in my imperfections. I am perfect in my imperfections. I am grateful to be alive. I am grateful to be alive. I am resilient. I am resilient. I am my true self every day. I am my true self every day. I am unique. I am unique. I am at peace with who I am. I am at peace with who I am. I am positive. I am positive. I am choosing the life I desire. I am choosing the life I desire. I am trusting myself. I am trusting myself. I am letting go of all that does not serve me. I am letting go of all that does not serve me. I am loved. I am loved. I am guided to what's best for me. I am guided to what's best for me. I am exactly where I need to be. I am exactly where I need to be. I am living a life filled with joy. I am living a life filled with joy. I am abundant. I am abundant. I am a firm believer in my ideas. I am a firm believer in my ideas. I am a survivor. I am a survivor. I am healing past hurts. I am healing past hurts. I am willing to see things differently. I am willing to see things differently. I am learning to let go of fear. I am learning to let go of fear. I am good at helping others. I am good at helping others. I am respecting the process of life. I am respecting the process of life. I am giving and receiving love. I am giving and receiving love. I am feeling good about myself. I am feeling good about myself. I am full with life. I am full with life. I am releasing negative thoughts. I am releasing negative thoughts. I am attracting abundance in my life. I am attracting abundance in my life. I am full of energy. I am full of energy. I am growing as a person. I am growing as a person. I am open and receptive to abundance. I am open and receptive to abundance. I am resilient. I am resilient. I am deserving of love. I am deserving of love. I am blessed with happiness. I am blessed with happiness. I am ready to forgive myself. I am ready to forgive myself. I am grateful for another day. I am grateful for another day. I am healthy and happy. I am healthy and happy. I am everything I want to be. I am everything I want to be. I am welcoming love in my life. I am welcoming love in my life. I am grateful to be alive. I am grateful to be alive. I am truly amazing. I am truly amazing. Repeat these affirmations often. Play them in the background. Play them in your car on the way to work. Play them everywhere you can. And remember, you are amazing. Now open your eyes, smile and say, "Come on, day, bring it on." Namaste.